The appeal of AI for our clients is obviously the expected ROI, the benefits, the productivity gains, and it's an irresistible appeal in today's economy. Agentic AI has the advantage of taking actions and actually making things happen for our clients and automating a lot of tasks. And they were explaining to me, this is a manufacturer of vehicles, they were explaining to me that in warranty claims, about 20% of the warranty claims they receive from their dealers are actually entirely automated and processed automatically. So for almost 80% of their warranty claims, an employee, which they call an adjudicator, is going to have to look at that warranty claim and manually decide if it's something they want to do or not want to do. So that is an extremely costly process for them. And agentic AI is very likely to automate maybe 80% of those. So that's the kind of promise that agentic AI brings to our clients, to our manufacturing clients, and it's going to unlock a lot of value for our clients.